Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 6. I can scarcely say which will be better, that we should conquer them or that they should conquer us. Even the sons of Dhritarashtra, after slaying whom we do not wish to live, stand facing us.
Chapter 2, Shloka 6. न चैतद्विद्मः कतरन्नो गरीयो यद्वा जयेम यदि वा नो जयेयुः यानेव हत्वा न जिजीविषामः तेव स्थिता प्रमुखे धर्तराष्ट्राः.
Chapter 2, Shloka 6. In the previous two shlokas, we have seen the confusion which is going on in Arjuna's mind. Let us see the factors which caused the confusion by an example. The world is outside and its stimuli comes inside us through the senses and is received by the mind, which has a capacity of only an office clerk. The stimuli is presented to the intellect, who is like an officer in charge, which decides and also conveys the decision through the mind to the organs of action to act or to respond to the world. If the officer in charge is not available and the clerk takes decisions, then because of its incapacity to take correct decisions, there is confusion in the functioning of the office. In Arjuna's case, there is a split in the objective mind and the subjective mind, which is the intellect. The objective mind faces the world and the subjective mind faces within. When the split between the two takes place due to ego and egocentric desires, the intellect is not available to the mind for guidance. Hence, there is confusion. Because the equipment don't function cooperatively as a team, they cause confusion within the individual and shatter him, and so he is unable to assess or face the situation confidently. The rehabilitation of the individual is the integration of the disintegrated personalities within, so that they can act efficiently again after a proper adjustment and education. Arjuna is the victim of his own inner confusion and so is unable to decide whether he should conquer the enemy or by a thoughtless retreat allow them to conquer him. He says that after slaying the cousins who are his enemies, he doesn't want to even live. Arjuna's hysteria is not only mental but also intellectual. More in the next shloka in the next video. Chapter 2. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.